Hey y'all, Grayson here. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making 3 quick appetizers for New Year's Eve. Let's get started. We're going to start with my creamy Doritos dip. This is a crowd pleaser. It's bold in flavor. And the first thing we're going to do is, in a medium bowl, we're going to take 1 block of softened cream cheese. And we're going to beat that until it's light and creamy. And to the cream cheese, we're going to add 1 cup of sour cream. We're going to beat this until they're both well combined. We're going to add 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 1 cup of salsa, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm adding about a tablespoon of finely diced jalapenos and green onions, about 1.5 cups of crushed Doritos. We're just going to mix everything together until it's well incorporated. I'm just going to serve this in an 8x8 glass Pyrex. And we're going to cover this with saran wrap, and we're going to chill it for about a half hour. Okay, y'all, it's been 30 minutes since this was in the refrigerator, so let's go ahead and take our plastic wrap off and see what we have here. Very nice. And just to garnish this, I'm just going to sprinkle about 1/4 cup of crushed Doritos over the top. Y'all, everybody loves this dip. It is such a favorite. I'm using the nacho cheese flavor, and I just pop Doritos in. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and get started on our second quick appetizer. This is what I'm calling my cheesy bacon balls. Let's get started. We're gonna take 1 block of softened cream cheese and 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 1/2 of cooked crumbled bacon. Next, we're gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and about 1 tablespoon of finely diced green onions. And just mix everything until well combined. And we're going to chill this in the refrigerator for about 20 or so minutes. Our next step is to scoop our cheesy ball mixture out into about 1-inch diameter balls. And then we're just going to toss them in a buttery breadcrumb. I'm using Ritz. And then we're just going to line them on a parchment lined baking dish. Okay, and now we want to pop these in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, and then we'll come back and garnish them. And I'm just going to garnish them with a little bit of crumbled bacon. That's going to do it for our cheesy bacon bites. Let's go ahead and get started on our third and final quick appetizer for New Year's Eve. These are my Ritz Cracker Party Sandwiches. They're very quick and easy to make and a great appetizer, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees, and then we're going to take 24 Ritz crackers and we're going to lay them flat side down. Okay, 24 crackers, flat side down. Next, I have about 6 slices of ham and 6 slices of Swiss cheese. I'm just going to cut these in strips. Next, we're just going to start assembling our sandwiches. I'm just going to take 1 strip of ham and fold it over. Take a piece of my cheese and put it on top. 1 piece of my ham and fold it over. And now we're just going to come in and cover. Okay, just like that, we have about, what, 2 dozen? Next, we're going to take 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and to that, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of dry minced onions. We're just going to mix this until well combined. Next, we're just going to drizzle our mixture right over the tops. And just like that, y'all, we have a couple of dozen of our Ritz cracker sandwiches. We're now gonna pop these in the oven at 350 for about 10 to 12 minutes. And just like that, y'all, we have 3 quick appetizers for New Year's Eve. We have our creamy Dorito dip, we have our cheesy bacon bites, and we have our Ritz cracker party sandwiches. Let me give you a close-up of these so you can see what all these look like. So you can see that the Ritz cracker party sandwiches turned out a really nice golden brown. And that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it and were inspired in some way to get in your kitchens and give these appetizers a try. They're quick and easy to pull together in no time. I'm sure you, your friends, and family will love them. Perhaps you would consider subscribing to my channel, as it does help me to continue to grow and bring more content like this to you. And as always, thank you for watching Grayson's Kitchen. I'll see you next time.